Let's see how much there is to do walking distance from your apartment in downtown. Dubai Opera, where Dubai's most iconic events are held. Art galleries, which are hybrid progressive art spaces. Every building has an endless selection of restaurants and cafes. And the amazing downtown kitchen. Chinatown. The luxurious Address Hotel. Souk Bahar, the best place to enrich yourself in the UAE's culture. And the wings of Mexico, the perfect destination to create memories and photos in Dubai.